Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. Here's the problem. And what's happening is the birds are roosting up on those window ledges and doing what birds do. So I've got 2 or 3 locations along the side of the house, only this side of the house. And here's the solution. I hope the people who sell this stuff say that you hang a few strips of it where the birds roost and it scares them away. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to hang some up. It's cheap enough. I bought it for like, I don't know, $6. I would have bought American made, but I don't even think American companies make any of this stuff. If they do, it's probably $25 or $30. So go figure. You got to be price competitive in the very least. Anyway, they sent me like 300 yards of it. I don't know, 150 yards of it. And I only need about 20 feet, but I'm going to take a stapler. I'm going to climb up my big ladder and staple some pieces along the little board that's right underneath the gutter. And then I'll clean up the poop, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay? Okay, there's my ladder, and I think that's high enough. I'm going to put the first one about just to the right of those 2 pipes. Those pipes are part of solar water heating system for the pool that I don't use anymore. Anyway, and then I'll go about every 6 or 8 feet. We'll just see. I made a little tool or a little hanger there so that I can get that off while I'm up in the air and I don't have to stick it in my pocket or anything. So that stapler, and I think I can just tear it with my hands. Maybe I'll bring a little knife if I need it. And up we go. Well, there's the first one. It's about 5 or 6 feet long, I guess. And the very, very slightest of a breeze will make it move like crazy. So I guess, it's up high and then it comes down to the ledge. I guess if I was a bird, that would freak me out. I don't know. We will see. I'm going to put up a couple more and then clean the you-know-what. And then just have to wait a few days or a week and see if anything new appears. Okie dokie, so we got 1, 2. We got 2 of them up so far. And I'm going to put at least 1 more up. All right, so here's how we ended up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I moved them all in because the wind was wrapping them around the gutter onto the roof, and they may or may not have ever come back from being on the roof. So I just kind of shortened up a couple and I moved them in underneath the rafters, whatever you call that area up there. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. And bye-bye birds, I hope.